Hey, what is up, guys? This is day number 10. Day number 10. I made a video yesterday when we just passed, when this was at 1,000. So just for me to celebrate that. But I realized I was with a friend, but he told me that it was this person plus 1,000. So it was already 1,001. But still, I wanted to capture the moment when we passed 1,000. And so that was yesterday. I haven't refreshed the page since then. So let's see how many we have today, and where this thing is going. And then I'll make some basic calculations as to how much money we were able to save with this stuff. Okay, sorry guys, my internet sometimes can be a little bit slow. Okay, this is for the suspense, okay? Let me pause this. All right, there you go. So we have, wow, we have 1,132 people, 33, I'll say, who are going to attend the webinar. And so now I'm running the math on the other side, 1,132. And this is $81,504 saved on ads, okay? $81,000 that I would have paid to get people to go and check out the webinar. So that is a lot of money saved. Okay, so yeah, so this is day 10. I'm still going to put the video of when we were at like 1,000, which is pretty cool. I mean, we did get quite like maybe 150 people since yesterday, which is pretty cool. Yeah, there are a few days to go. The event is actually on Monday. Today is Thursday. So we still have the whole Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And then, yeah, let's see how many people we can get, okay? 1,500 would be nice, and I think we can do it, 1,500 people. And let's see how then it unfolds at the actual event. So yeah, that's pretty much it. See you in the next video.